and man, it's dripping wet. You guys can see me. I'm literally pouring. Do you think it's gonna be more water, or now it's okay?
Very small.
It's gonna be more?
Yeah.
Oh wow, it's gonna be even more water. And the rain is too much. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Would this be the dead end spot for me? I don't know if I dare go further. And I have the very wrong shoes for this thing.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it, see how.
Top of the morning, Kish my world. It's another beautiful day, and today it's pouring. It's raining, it's pouring. So we're gonna walk into the rain and just enjoy the rain in Karachi. Man, it's been so long since I saw drizzling, pouring rain like this. And I love the rain. I'm not afraid of the rain. So yeah, and it's a bit calm. Oh, the guy's still struggling with his, we gotta make ends meet. Yeah, and Kish has to vlog. And it's pouring, man, it's pouring. Look at the streets. It's been so long since I had this type of rain in my life. Back in the days in Kenya. But I'm enjoying it. I'm loving it. Oh, it's nice. It also forms like a rainbow color here. I'm not sure if it's contamination or not. Oh shit. Flooding. It's floods all over. I've been out for barely 2 minutes and I'm already being rained on in Karachi. Hello. I'm doing a vlog in the rain, yeah? It's a lot. Yeah, it's nice. Yeah, I like the rain. Look at this. Jesus. Wow, so much rain. I hope we don't get flooding. Hello. Yeah, it's nice. I like the rain. Yeah, hello. How are you? The kids are here. Yeah, okay, we go in the rain. This boy does not mind the rain. Hello, assalamu alaikum. Yeah. Okay, look at it. Hello, my friend. Hello. A lot of rain today, eh? It's rain, eh? It's nice. You're not cooking today? Hello, how are you? How are you? How are you? Hi. Ah, my friend, how are you? Fine. You good? No business today? No food today?
Yeah.
Finish?
Finish, no.
Oh, this. Okay. Too much rain. How are you? Let me shake your hand. How are you? You good? Yeah, lots of... Yeah, chai, yeah. I want, is hot? Chai. Okay. You have Maretta. Oh, it's hot.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's... Okay. Alright. I can't sit here, it's too much. Okay. There's a lot of rain. Too much rain. No business today. No business. Oh. Oh, sorry. My cheese, yeah. I'm gonna have some chai. Oh. It's okay, I stand so that I see the rain. I see the rain, yeah. You see, it's chai with my friend here. Nice. Okay, I'll come back. My friend, good job, eh? I'm going upwards. Okay, guys, I'm back in the rain. Kish my world. Let's go up the bridge and see. Hello. Wow, when it rains, it pours in Karachi, Pakistan. And the best thing is it's not even cold. So it's like you're getting a fresh shower, feels so good. And the best thing is there's not a lot of people. So it's like you have the entire streets to yourself. So maybe I can show you some of the things here. The traffic is still heavy. This is like some billboards on the side. So yeah, this is the perfect time maybe to go and look for some local street food in this area where I am living. I can show you how it looks like from here. Heavy traffic. It looks like it's flooding a little bit. Yeah, hello my friend. Hi, how are you? Yeah, video. Guys, it's like dripping wet. So much water everywhere. So these are the streets of Karachi, Pakistan. And this is the FDC building. I am dripping wet. Guys, I'm dripping wet right now. Hello, you good? Thank you. Yeah. You go. Yeah. I'm dripping wet right now. Ah. Oh my gosh. Oh shit. Alright, look at this crossing here. It's totally wet here. The floods are so much. And it's a bit dangerous because this is like a hole. So you have to find the right way out. And actually, it's like a little bit of contaminated water here. So you have to be careful. Oh shit, there's cockroaches on the ground. There's humongous cockroaches on the ground. Ah, it's hard. Wow guys, this is the floods in Karachi. Hello my friend, you're good? So this is the floods in Karachi. It's a lot of water. Oh my gosh, like it's been a few millimeters of rainfall and everything is flooded everywhere. And this is actually the good part because according to a friend that I've met, he's told me that here is good drainage system. That's why it's not possible to have devastating floods. But as you can see, it's a lot of water, it's raining, it's pouring down. Feels like it's a whole river here. A whole river is flowing. And it's been raining for only a few hours. So the rain here is actually humongous. Hey guys, the rain here is actually humongous. Oh my goodness. This is where we came from, in that building. We have to be careful. I'm trying not to get into the contaminated water because I wore my flip-flops. So I'm just gonna go around until the other bridge and then see how it goes. And man, it's dripping wet. You guys can see me. I'm literally pouring. And it's been raining for 2-3 hours now. Or maybe not even 2-3 hours actually, less than that. But even the road access is totally blocked. There's no way to come through. These guys have resulted into pushing their bicycles because there's no way to go through. You can see the entire 2 lanes here, all this way is water, is flooded, there's no way to get through. So people have to actually use only one lane. Look, that's how much water there is. That's how much it's flooding in Karachi. And this is actually one of the better parts according to the statistics. Hello my friend, you good? Yeah, it's a lot of rain, yeah?
Yeah, this is problem.
It's problem in Pakistan, yeah.
Pakistan.
It's too much flooding.
Yeah.
I hear in other places it's too much water. People are...
No, Sarkar, this is problem. This gutter is problem.
Yeah, the drainage.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Fabric is problem.
Okay. Do you think it's gonna be more water or now it's okay?
It's small.
It's gonna be more?
Yeah.
Oh wow, it's gonna be even more water.
This is छोटे big
Then, yeah?
big यानी कि house
Yeah.
problem is.
The small houses, they are filled with water.
Water.
Oh,
No, fabric is problem.
okay. Let's see the
House
problem.
full.
Aha. This is the drainage.
Yeah.
And
yeah.
it's polluted.
This is problem.
Okay. So the drainage is not so good.
This is government. This is no good.
Yeah.
This is problem. Government money, only money.
The government's money.
Only jab
Yeah.
money.
They don't think to make the drainage.
Yeah. No problem. People is problem.
Yeah.
Government is not good.
Okay.
Government good. This is no problem.
Yeah.
Yeah. This problem, no problem.
Yeah.
Average.
Okay. But if the people in Karachi is very good.
Yeah, Karachi is good, very good.
Very good
Government
people.
is not good.
Yeah.
Only money, only money.
Yeah.
This is money, no problem.
Okay. And because of the rain, it's bad business today. No business, no nothing.
This is no business.
No business. Everything is closed.
This is Selab, Jordan, this is problem. Money,
Yeah.
no divide.
Okay.
Only jab, pocket,
Yeah,
pocket.
only pocket.
Pocket.
What do you work with? What's your job? What's your job?
I need no job.
No job.
Partying.
Oh, okay.
This is problem here.
Oh, okay. You no job. You just like a small job.
Small any job.
Yeah.
No job.
Okay.
Job, no job. No problem.
Okay. And what are you doing here? What are you doing here? Standing here in the rain. You're not afraid that it's too much water?
No. This is water.
Yeah.
This is full
Okay.
house. And round, full big.
Yeah.
Problem.
Do you live here? You live
Yeah.
here?
This is pani.
Yeah.
Then this is full.
Okay.
No sarkar yani. No. This is problem. Problem.
Okay.
Government are nice.
Yeah. But it will be better, inshallah, you know.
Yeah,
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks so much, brother. What's your name?
Faisal. Mohammed Faisal.
Mohammed Faisal. Shukriya. Okay. Alright guys, we go. We move some more. You can see the guy is saying it's too much problems, the drainage is not well done. That's why he's complaining. Poor guy. And then he says there's no jobs. Oh, the dog's actually enjoying the water. Wild and free. Look at them. Oh, yeah. I hope they don't attack me. Yeah, the dogs are having a field day. Enjoying. Look at them. Alright, we go. We move on some more. Hello, my friends. You good?
Very nice. Nice.
Very nice. Yeah. Very nice. Karachi, very nice. Yeah.
Karachi में दोबारा सैलाब आ गया है.
Yeah. But it's raining today. Too much rain.
Good morning.
Yeah, good morning. Good. Okay, guys, we move on. Oh, that guy decided to. Oh, shit. Yeah, it's in the thick of things. Alright, guys, it's raining crazy. Look at the water. The water levels. They're rising gradually and gradually. And the rain is. Hello, my friend. And the rain is too much. Look at that. The drainage is there. Okay. My goodness me, it's really floods, you know. I don't think I've seen such floods before. But at least this guy is still fighting to get to the destination. And this other one. Hello. Good luck, good luck. Oh my goodness. It's crazy. Look at this. Yeah, you good? It's crazy. That's the level of the flooding here in Karachi, Pakistan. And it looks like it's getting even worse here. Oh my gosh. Would this be the dead end spot for me? I don't know if I dare go further. And I have the very wrong shoes for this thing. Wow. My God. Oh, Lord Jesus. If you guys can see, this is like sewer water. And I'm really concerned about going through here. But it's really flowing. And I'm trying to get to the other side. But the crossing here is gonna be a bit of a problem. I can try and balance through here, but yeah, wish me luck. There we go, Kish my world. Oh, tries his luck in the balance scale. Oh my God. Oh. Yes, Kish my world. Kish made it. I hope I don't have to come back through this way, because that was a bit of luck. But anyway, you guys can see this is the flooding in Karachi in Pakistan. You've been reading about it in the news. It flipped from one day to the other, you know. Yesterday was really warm, the sun was shining, and now it's pouring down. But at least now the rains have ceased, and I think it's not so much rain right now, but the flooding is still so much. So they're trying to find the drainage, see how it will be. And there's the fire people there. They're probably going to try and rescue some people. You guys can see. But they're also stuck in traffic, so there's no way to get through. The waters are everywhere. So yeah, hello my friend. Okay guys, now I really don't think I can be able to go to the other side. Yeah, as you guys can see, it's just chaotic. And on this side it says, I love Pakistan. I love Pakistan. I was hoping to get to that sign, but it's a bit not easy. But at least there's some greenery here on higher ground, and the drainage here. So yeah, Kish my world. This is Pakistan during the floods, Karachi to be more specific. So I'm gonna head back the other way. It's choking. I'm gonna head back the other way and see what you can discover. I wish I had these guts. Guys are just crossing, you know, no fear. And the motorcycle goes this way. Wow. Okay guys, we go back the other way and hopefully we make it home. Alright guys, the rain has now stopped, so it's a bit calm situation, but there's still absolutely no way to get across. No way to get across. I have to walk through here. It's a bit dangerous for me, and I keep on getting obstacles like these ones. I have to find a way to get to the other side without getting my feet in the... Oh, look at this. I have the very wrong shoes. Anyways, oh my gosh, Kish my world. Let's do this. Alright, we made it. Obstacle number 1. And this is the flooding on my left, as you guys can see. But there's no sunshine today, you know. It's just been rain and rain and rain, and then the floods have just emerged. Hello. The floods have come out from nowhere, like absolutely. I was in my room, I was just chilling, and then I decided to come and look for some food, and then boom. It's insane, it's mental. I found there's a lot of rain, and now it's all flooded, Karachi, Pakistan. So yeah, this, oh my gosh. This situation goes from like 0 to 100 real quick. But this is one of the few amazing things, amazing things of being a traveler, a travel vlogger. You get to see everything. You get to see the different patterns, and also it's a wake-up call. You know, global warming is real. climate impact, you know. And this Karachi is actually one of the good areas, because if you go to other parts in Pakistan, hello my friend, other parts of Pakistan is actually even worse flooding, you know. Yeah, so and I'm so blessed to be here at this point to come and see this here. The rain has ceased a little bit. It's only drizzling now. This is the situation I have to be in. I have to get to the other side because that's where I'm going, to that big building over there. That's where I'm living. That's my hotel room. But I cannot be able to go through here, so I have to go through that bridge. And yeah, like I said, this came like a surprise for me. I didn't expect it's gonna be this much rain. But it's also glad I got to experience this. And it's actually really warm and nice. Really warm and nice. But the rain has stopped, so hopefully the water will subside and people can go back to their normal lives. Alright guys, Kish my world. Let's keep exploring. The police here are trying to go and do their job. Hopefully there's no one in trouble. Hopefully everybody is safe and sound. Yeah, and I'm gonna try and make it back my way. And the good people in Karachi here are still waiting for the public transport to come and help them out as they go to the places of work. So yeah, you can see people are just here waiting for the buses and experiencing the floods today. So, alright, I made it. So I'm gonna go up the bridge and hopefully see how the rest of the day will be. Here there's a good drainage, I think. I can see the water is flowing. So we thank God. Everything looks to be under control. We are good, we are safe.
Subhanallah.
Hello, how are you my friend?
Walaikum salam.
Thank you so much. Alright guys, so this is the bridge. I'm gonna go up the bridge again and go to the other side and hopefully look for something to eat. But yeah, it's been a fun experience actually. How are you my friend? How are you?
I'm fine.
You good?
Thank you.
Yeah. How do you think of the water?
Not English, Urdu speaking.
Only Urdu. You speak a little bit. Yeah. But it's a lot of water here. Too much floods, eh? Okay. Alright, good to see you. Alright guys, I go up the bridge. At least the bridge is here so I can be able to cross without having to go through the water, you know. Yes. So this is the bridge. So you have to go to the other side. And right now I am actually a bit hungry, but it looks like a lot of businesses even today are closed, so hopefully I can get something to eat. And as usual, there's traffic. There's traffic everywhere. Let's say this guy is trying to, you can see that guy is trying to board. Oh, poor guy. Oh, he made it. And the guys are just trying to board their public transport directly from here. You can see these are the vehicles. Everybody is struggling to get into them so that they can go home and hopefully warm up. Yeah. So this is the situation right now here in Karachi. But as it is, this is actually one of the better places, because if you go to other places, oh fuck, oh my goodness, that was a huge thunder. I thought the building was collapsing or something. Anyway, let's see, let's hope the situation is under control. And yeah, so I'll catch you guys later. It's been real. It's your boy Kish my world. Let's go and look for some food now in this train. Alright, let's do this. Nice one. This is potato. Potato paratha. Yeah. Okay, there we go. Ah, my friend, how are you? Oh, sorry, I'm wet. I've been walking everywhere. You guys, I meet him again. What's up? Yeah. I was just walking around in the rain, you know?
Yeah, my friend.
Oh, it's your friend? Yeah. Okay.
Hey man.
Hello man, how are you?
doing?
My name is Kish.
Oh yeah, I heard you.
Okay, hey, how are you?
I'm
Ah, good to see you guys.
What are you doing here?
I was walking in the rain. Yeah, I love the rain. It was really nice.
How do you feel the weather over here?
Yeah, nice. You see, I'm all wet now. Everything is wet.
That's it, basic.
Yeah, all wet. It was very quick, but too much rain, you know. So guys, this is it. The potato parada. Really nice. Made especially by that ninja over there. Yeah, good job. All right, guys, let's test this. Really good Karachi street food. Let's see. Perfect. Number one. So guys, as I'm sitting here enjoying this beautiful potato parada, I can't help but notice. Sorry, I had to clean my lens. But I can't help but notice there's a lot of child labor going on here. It's a bit sad because like there's this kid. Yeah, this kid, you know, he's working here instead of being in school. How old are you? How old are you?
How you are?
How many years?
How many years?
Yeah.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4 years.
1, 2, 3, 4.
All right. Yeah. How many years you? 3, 5, 10? Yeah? 16. Oh, can I sit there with you? Yeah, okay. Let me sit with you here. So guys, I want to get some bananas here. Very, very nice bananas. Ripe bananas. And some orange. You know. Perfect. Oh, biryani. It's biryani, yeah? Ah, chicken biryani?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. And it's pilau, this one. Pilau. Hello. Hello. Fine, thank you. Yeah, nice one. Okay, so I want to get some bananas. Bananas. Banana, yeah? Okay. Maybe some bananas, some apple. Okay, guys. Thing is, these guys are so kind. Every time I try and go and buy something, they offer to pay for me. I'm feeling really guilty because I feel like, come on, I need to pay something, you know? Yeah. So, hi, my friend. Yeah, but it's really, I'm trying to order bananas and I don't know how to say it. Huh? No, pilau later. Yeah.
This is video.
Now, yeah.
Video.
Okay, yeah. Okay.
Video.
Yeah.
Picture.
All right.
Yeah. Yeah, biryani. This is biryani.
Biryani, okay.
Yes.
Chai, shukriya. I've drink too much. Yeah. Look, I get 2-3 bananas, apple, and then I take. Yeah. How much? Tell me. All right, guys. This is common. People are, hi, my friend. You're good. It's amazing how you get the stares sometimes. People staring violently. And guys, it's so warm. My clothes are already drying up. Sorry.
Contact number hai?
WhatsApp? No,
contact.
no WhatsApp. No, only YouTube.
YouTube.
Yeah. Oh, it's juice? Juice, okay. Yeah. Pesa, how much? So 100? Okay, let me give you so.
Sindhi mein samjha hai so.
So, okay. So, like we say in Sheng, so, yeah? 100. Alright, at least I got the shake instead. This one very good. Okay, this is for you. Thank you. Shukran. This is for you. Okay. Okay, bye bye. See you tomorrow. Okay. Alright, I got the shakes here. I was trying to get bananas and apples, but actually I got a banana shake, which is okay. Hello. How are you? So guys, but it's actually really nice I'm a bit nervous about taking shakes and cold drinks because, you know, of the water, but inshallah I'll be okay. I've had it before and it's gonna be okay. So yeah, guys, it's now, the rain has ceased, as you guys can see. It's a bit better, the drainage is becoming more and more better, and I'm gonna head in again and do some editing because there's not really much you can do today. So yeah, it's been a nice day experiencing the rains and the storms here in Karachi, Pakistan. Kish my world. See you next time. Peace. I'm out. Let me enjoy my shake.